to Santorini. My name is Jules Jansen, captain van de slide. As well as my colleagues Sebastian Saan and Kevin Crew, welcome. Now Terence for sale departure, we are ready. Those will be closed on pushback, taxi out to runway 18 left. Make a left turn towards Munich, we're down to 39,000 feet. Flight time is 3 hours. Now to Pleasant Airport.
En die van Samsung.
What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here and excited to bring to you another video. And this time, oh, my keys just fell. And this time guys, I am from Santorini. Oh my god, look at that. This is my views guys, just look at that. Oh yeah, by the way. Look at that. Well, I am told. So these flowers, they're this close. So I have to watch while I'm walking here. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm gonna quickly show you around. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? But before we do all that, guys, you already know. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Coming live from Santorini. This is amazing. Let me show you guys around. This is beautiful. So, this is the entrance. You got a beautiful jacuzzi down there. And look at that. All this is me and my girl the whole week. This is amazing. So you got this type of accommodations with a big bed plus like a child or like one extra person probably. But the views here are just amazing. You got the caldera down there where I'm gonna be walking soon because I need to go check it out, take a dive in the waters. I'll take you guys with me. But this is just a small test of what you can expect coming to Santorini. It's Oya, probably butchering that name, but it is beautiful. You got, oh my days. So you got your closet down there, you got like a study area here, and you got like a fridge, small kitchen where you can't even prepare any meal, by the way. But you got the AC in the building, and once you turn around here, you got like where it just came from, you got a telly, and yeah, all that you need. Oh, by the way, you got a loo in there, and then look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my days. A lot of videos will be made here. Beautiful, beautiful sceneries here. Wow, look at that. The blue domes down here. As you guys can see up here. This is amazing. So beautiful. I can't just wait. I just arrived. I can't wait to go. Just walk around, show you guys around. See how beautiful this place is. The caldera. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can catch there. We got a beautiful singer down there. But look at this. And we got the caldera out here. It's just beautiful. Close to the road. You go like a supermarket down there. And you go like a restaurant up there, which is very convenient when you are staying around this area. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, this is the fast views of the Santorini, beautiful Santorini, back on the island. I'm gonna go to the black beach, the white beach. I'm gonna be taking you guys around. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You already know. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. The waters are still Beautiful day, blue skies. Oh my days, I can't wait to explore this place. All right, guys, catch you on the next one, guys. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.